Hello. So I want to help you with um, ratios. So, ratios and scale models, the measurement of relative size in a scale model can be represented by a ratio. So, a ratio compares two values. In a scale model, one of the values represents the measurement in real life, and the other value represents the measurement in the scale model. For example, in a model that is 1 to 5, 1/5 or 1 to 5 scale, a part that is 1 meter represents a part that is 5 meters in real life. So if it's 1 to 10, my scale is 1 and the real life would be 10. So this one says this is a scale model of a research boat and its environment. Its scale is 1 to 200. So that means everything is 200 smaller. In real life, okay, let me find my calculator. The water is 9 meters deep at its deepest point. Okay, so that's this one over here on the side. It's going to be 9 meters all the way down. The boat is 11 meters long, and the distance between the boat and the underwater hill is 5.4 meters. So I'm going to take all of those numbers and divide by 200. Because if it's really 9 meters down, well, what's the scale? So it's going to be 9 divided by 200. So if I do that on my calculator, 9 divided by 200, I get 0.045. So I'm going to take this 0.045 and drag it up there. Okay, so now the boat is 11 meters long, but it's 200, like the ratio is 1 to 200. So I'm going to take 11 divided by 200 and I get 0.05. Okay, that one goes there. So I'm pretty sure this goes here, but we're just going to double check. And the distance between the boat and the underwater hill is 5.4 meters. So again, on my calculator, I'm going to take 5.4 divided by 200, and I get 0.027. So that one goes there. So let's check our work. Submit. Correct. Because the scale is 1 to 200, the objects in the model are 200 times smaller than the objects in real life. So I'm going to divide everything by 200. So what's the hint say? Divide the real life measurements by 200 to find the measurements in the model. Okay, so it gave me a hint right there. So this next one says a scale model can be used to do more than just estimate distance and length. You can also use scale models, such as the Model T here, to estimate quantity. So quantity is a number, how many. But keep in mind that many numerical quantities have a different relationship to scale than other measurements do. For many objects that you can count with whole numbers, the quantity is the same in the model as in real life. For example, a model of a dog will have the same quantity of legs as the real dog, 4. That's true whether it's a small scale model of a dog or a large scale model. So it's asking me, um, estimate how many teeth the adult human has. So I'm not going to see every tooth, but I can go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think I got 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay. So I can estimate based on what I see. And my answers are 32, 68, 8, or 20. Well, I got 31. So that's pretty close to 32. And let's see what the hint would say. The quantity of countable objects within a model, such as the number of teeth, is usually the same as the quantity of corresponding objects in the real life object or system. All right, so let's check our answer. Submit, and we got that one right. Okay. So this model is larger than a real mouth. It has a scale of 1.5 to 1. In the model, the distance between the two back teeth on opposite sides of the mouth is 5.25 centimeters. Given this distance in the model, what would be the distance between the two teeth in a real mouth? Okay, so this model, the ship one that we did back a couple slides, was smaller, and this one's bigger. So instead of being 1 to 200, this one is 5 to 1. It's 5 times bigger. So in the model, it's 5.25. So what do you think that's going to be in the real mouth? So let's see what our hint is. Distance is a measurement with units that can scale up or down. It is not a countable quantity like number of teeth. The model is larger than a real mouth, so the distance is the model will be greater than the distance between the real teeth. Okay, so what is the distance between the two teeth in a real mouth? I need to have a smaller number than this because this is the model. So I'm going to pick a smaller number than 5.25. So let's go 5.25 divided by, it's 5 to 1, the 5, and I got 1.05. The distance between the two real back teeth. I was going to say that one. Try again. Oh, I didn't divide it by 1. Oh, it's 1.5 to 1. I was dividing by 1. That's the problem. Okay, sorry about that. So I needed to get a smaller number. If it's 5.25 on the model and the model is bigger than your mouth, I needed a smaller number. And I needed to divide by the 1.5. Okay, so I hope that helps. Let me know if you're still having questions.